Now here's a head turner, 1964 Ford Galaxie 500 XL convertible. Look at this. A little over 15,000 of these made back in 1964 in the convertibles. Now, this is also a Z code 390 car. So this is got the 300 horse, 390 V8 underneath the hood, as well as power steering, power brakes. Also has AC, FYI, AC, all the components, everything appear to be there. I think it needs to be charged for it to work. I've not had it blowing cold, but everything's there. We'll pop the hood and I'll let you see that in a little bit. Check out underneath the hood. So nice equipment, power steering, power brakes, AC, and look at this paint. Now this is a vintage burgundy car, X code paint code car, so very similar to the original color that this would have came. Paint is in nice shape on it. You can see how straight this car is up and down the side of it too. It's a beauty. Chrome, bright work, nice up front. Interior also in very nice shape. Originally would have came as a medium Palomino crinkle interior. Very nice color combination on this one. Now, if you want to see the still picture, so you can take a look at the underside, interior, engine bay, take your time, look through them, look up close. UniqueClassicCars.com. That's where you can find the pictures. Down below this video, there's a link. Click on it. It's in the description. That's going to take you right to our website where you can see this. Feel free to call us too, 507-386-1726. I don't expect this one to last too long. XL wheel covers, riding on Hankook radials, and those are in nice shape too. Plenty of rubber. You can check out each of the tires. Will be in the still pictures too. And again, just look up and down the side of this car. The 64, of course, became more streamlined than the previous 3 years, and a lot of that was to do with NASCAR. And you can see the reflection off this, and just very nice paint. I'm sure if you dig far enough, you can find maybe an imperfection here and there, but there you are, few and far in between on this one. Interior, custom fit large floor mats. I did take the one out from the driver's side for picture and video purposes. Radio and clock were the other two things as far as on the interior I noticed did not work, but power top works, wipers work. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist you in getting this car to where you're located at, and it may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. All right, a few extra goodies are going to go with this car too. Quality car cover, very nice car cover. I have one of those on a vehicle of my own. We have the original 64 Ford speaker, horn contact, seat belts, power steering hose in that container. There's some extra hood insulation. The box doesn't appear to be open. Here's your classic auto air owner's manual. That is a perfect fit in the dash, and it looks great. That goes with it also, and that's the info for the AC that was put on this car. And there is a top boot in that box. Doesn't look like it's been opened, so when your top's down, another boot to go over it, and receipts for this car. So those will be in the trunk, go along with this. And speaking of trunk, you can check out the trunk pictures and interior pics, engine bay. All the pictures can be seen at UniqueClassicCars.com. Again, down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. It's going to take you right to our website. And of course, feel free to call 507-386-1726. Inquire about this beauty. Transmission, Cruise-O-Matic, automatic transmission in this one. This is actually came to us from Kansas, has a clear Kansas title that will go with this car. It was actually delivered to the Denver DSO, so it doesn't appear that this car has traveled too far, Colorado to Kansas, and up to us. How nice the chrome is back here, see the reflection. Of course, the thin-shelled bucket seats are on the XL 500s. XL steering wheel. Very, very nice. The top is also in like new shape. Glass rear window. Check that out in the still pictures. What else am I missing here? Anything? I think I kind of hit on the majority of things I wanted to touch base on with you. All right, check out the door panels. Courtesy lights work. Has had a newer style seat belt installed, but remember in the box back there, the originals do go with it. But yeah, just beautiful interior. Let's go ahead and fire this up so you can check out the engine bay, because you know that's going to look just as nice. Gas gauge appears to work. Again, wipers work, power top works. Vehicle shows 78,168, but of course it's been all gone through and restored since then. We do have a couple aftermarket gauges down here for oil pressure, and looks like battery volts. And then of course the vents that were added when the AC was put in, and here's that AC controller. It looks like it was made for this car. Dash in nice shape, not all sun checked, faded. Slip around to the back of this so you can hear it run. How nicely that door closes, everything fits. Really like the paint on this car. Z-code 390, 300 horse. Sounds good. This car will turn some heads with its sound and with its looks. Great car for any of your local shows, cruise-ins, what have you. Just out to enjoy it and drive it. Alright, I'm going to pause this a second. I want to pop this hood. Alright. You knew it was going to be as nice under here as the rest of it, of course. Listen how smooth that runs. We did do the exhaust manifold gaskets on it. By the way, they were just done. And you see everything's hooked up to the AC. It appears everything's there. Probably just needs a charge. A lot of people with convertibles not real concerned about the AC, but just so you know, it is there. Look at how smooth that baby runs. Beautiful engine bay. Take this to a show, leave the hood up. Like I said, there was some of the extra hood liner in a box in the back there. Didn't look like it was open. FYI. Some extra stuff that goes with it. So there you go. 1964 Ford Galaxie 500 XL convertible. Phone number to reach us at 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com is the website. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. It's going to take you right there. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist you with getting this car to where you're located at, and it may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you email or call. And if you're interested in this car, I would be calling sooner than later. It's a nice one.